Commercial road transport, with its more than 2.5 million vehicles on the roads and more than 3 million drivers behind the wheels, is a big business in Europe. Unfortunately, the Monday morning traffic jams on the roads are not the only byproduct of this big and huge industry. Millions and millions of shipment documents are every morning printed out, signed all across Europe, and thousands of working hours are spent on that. Wouldn't there be a smarter way to spend this money and time? We certainly think there is. My name is Ove Muuk, and I'm coming from a second largest software house in the Baltics called Helmes. A couple of years ago, we teamed up with the national road transport associations in Estonia and in Finland in order to prepare for what seemed for us inevitable at that time, a full digitalization of a road transport. The result of that was a platform called MobiCarnet, and the vision behind it, nothing less than fully paperless road transport all across Europe. How shall we do it? We shall give the information on those papers the form of what it actually is. It is a data. It's valuable data that can be and should be accessed by all of your counterparts in your logistics chain at the time and at the place where it matters the most for them. The aim of MobiCarnet platform is to collect and capture the data of your shipments, the shipment orders, the goods in transport, details of that, and to combine that with real-time information on your vehicles, telematic information, and your drivers behind the wheels. This can be done directly on the platform itself, but also by integrating that to your other existing systems. Would that be our transportation management or accounting system, the fleet management or telematics systems of your truck vendors? We can integrate it. Once the data is stored, it can be used, reused, to generate all kinds of different shipment-related documents. ECMRs, e-invoices, your local electronic waybills, even the custom declarations that you can send directly to your national custom systems. Internationally accepted document formats can be used, but also all kinds of custom document templates can be configured. As a MobiCarnet user, you can create, compile, and sign all those documents. You can share, send, and receive them for acceptance or counter-signing, store and archive them as you please, and always retaining the control over the data. MobiCarnet, as a technical platform, will then orchestrate the distribution and exchange of that data to all your counterparts in the logistics chain, making sure that everybody will access the data when it is entitled to it. In that way, the platform kind of serves and supports for the whole circle of your logistics information in your logistics chain. A digital circle of trust, if you please. And funny enough, of course, you can always print out everything that on a paper, because we're not blue-eyed. There is still some way to go until all the participants in this industry are fully capable of electronic and digital interoperability. But with MobiCarnet, we have created a platform that goes really beyond a functionality of an application of a simple one type of document creation. The personal and the business data security is built into the system, and we are wide open to all different kinds of international transport digitalization initiatives that are ongoing right now all across Europe. There's one more thing that is worth noticing about how do we treat the data on the MobiCarnet platform. By combining the existing and known data in new, smarter way can sometimes give you a new information that you can utilize in a way that you have not figured or thought of before. Based on that principle, we have added first additional features and services on MobiCarnet platform as well. For example, the Mobi footprint using the technical data on the truck, the telematics data on the movements, and combining that with the shipment data and the goods data and your client data, can calculate and report your CO footprint on the level of each shipment or customer. Again, if the system detects from the goods list that there are dangerous goods loaded to the truck, the system combines that with the technical data of the truck and the trailer and generates illustrated instructions for your driver in the driver app how to put up the required signs. These are just examples of how you can use your data in a better and smarter way. And we are all open to your suggestions on that way. So please join us in this journey to a truly digital roads across Europe. Book a demo for MobiCarnet or challenge us with your plans for your digital transformation. Thank you.